PS foam box machine mainly has three main machines. PS foam sheet extruder, make PS foam sheet. Fully auto-forming and cutting machine, form PS foam rolls to different foam box, container, tray, plate, bowl, etc. by changing the molds. Plastic recycle machine, recycle waste to granules for making PS foam rolls. PS foam sheet extruder uses a tandem screw technology to produce fine block cell structured extruded polystyrene foam sheet with high strength and a pearl and even surface, in a continuous roll, from polystyrene injection and eco-friendly blowing gas and additives. It has a user-friendly operating system with inverter-controlled driving, digital temperature control and so on.